Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making these delicious cinnamon buns. These cinnamon buns are really easy to make and I know you can do it. There is a list of ingredients in the description below as well as a link to the website. So let's go make some buns. We are going to start up the yeast culture. 1 teaspoon of white sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons or 8 grams of yeast, and 1 cup of whole milk that's been warmed up. Four cups of bread flour. If you don't have bread flour, you can use 4 cups of all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 cup of sugar. Two eggs. 1/3 cup butter or 76 grams. Add the yeast and milk mixture. Turn the oven light on. This will keep the oven warm for the dough to rise. Now we're going to set a 1-hour timer to let the dough rise. For the cinnamon bun filling, we will be using 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1/3 cup or 76 grams of melted butter. Next we'll be putting the filling. Now let's roll up the dough. We use dental floss to cut the dough, so we're going to be cutting it right down the middle. In the center, just pull like that. Cut them in half again. There. There. Now we'll cut each quarter into thirds. So each quarter is roughly 4.5 inches. So now we're going to divide each quarter into thirds. This way we'll get 12 buns exactly. Next you want to butter a pan so the cinnamon buns don't stick. And this particular pan is 12 inches by 8 inches. Now we'll start laying out these cinnamon buns. You want to put 3 in a row, and you want to keep a little bit of space in between them so they can grow, because they'll be rising one more time. You can see with how the dental floss, or if you didn't have dental floss you could use thread, you can see how the dental floss made a nice clean cut, very clean. You could not get this effect by using a knife. Place the cinnamon buns into the oven with just the oven light on and let them rise for approximately 20 to 30 minutes until they're double in size. Set the timer for 20 minutes. Remove the cinnamon buns from the oven and preheat the oven to 350. Bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If they are not done, bake for another 10 minutes. To make the cream cheese icing, we're going to add 2 cups of icing sugar. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Half a cup of cream cheese. Half a cup or 114 grams of melted butter. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Cinnamon buns out of the oven. The cinnamon buns are ready, and boy do they smell great. Let's put the cream cheese on the cinnamon buns. And there you have it, glorious, delicious cinnamon buns. Join me in the next episode where we will be making chocolate crinkles cookies. Good night, cookies. See you in the morning.